Hi everybody. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to answer or how to create the Guess My Rule in Project 3. So this is question 9 in Project 3, and it says create your own Guess My Rule. So we're going to talk about how to do that. Um, you're going to make up your own rule. You need 3 of them. And it says 1 or 2 circles can be multiples of a number if you like. So you could say, I'm going to say my rule for A is multiples of 7. Anything you want. Make up your own idea. I'm going to say my B, though. Only 2 of them can be about multiples of 7. So maybe I'll say B is triangular numbers. And C might be square numbers. Like, these can be any rules that you like, and it would be good if you could have some numbers in most of the overlaps between them, so that that helps, because remember, somebody else is going to try to guess your rule. So I have made up 3 rules, and I'm going to start filling in my circles. You can use the circles at the end of the project that are right here, or you can draw your own circles. It doesn't matter. So if I'm going to do these particular 3 rules, where'd they go? Multiples of 7, right? I'm going to do multiples of 7, triangular numbers and square numbers. It would probably be a good idea if I looked up on the internet what the triangular numbers are. I know what the multiples of 7 are. The multiples of 7 are 7, 14, 21, right? You could also do factors if you don't want to do multiples. So maybe instead of triangular numbers, you want to do factors of 24. This is totally up to you. You get to decide. Factors of 24. Put anything you want in there. The key part is to fill in your Venn diagram correctly. And if you need to, go look on the internet for what the factors of 24 are. You know that, right? And what square numbers are. And I want to have some overlap in most of the circles. So I'll start filling in my circles. So I've changed my mind. I'm not doing triangular numbers, but if I were, I would look them up. So I'm going to start with my multiples of 7 in circle A. And I'm not going to put that A is multiples of 7 because somebody else is supposed to guess this, right? So I'm going to start filling it in, but I'm also going to, you might write down the rule, right? And then maybe later erase it. This is going to be square numbers. This is going to be multiples of 7, and I'll erase it later. And then this is factors of 24. That might be kind of hard for somebody to guess. And then I'll erase it after, right? Or make a new one without the rules written down. So, 7 is a multiple of 7. 14 is a multiple of 7. What are the factors of 24? 2 is a factor of 24. 3 is a factor of 24. Those are numbers that go into 24, whereas multiples of 7 are you multiply 7 by a number. So I have 2, I have 3, I might put a comma so I can read it a little more easily. I don't see any overlap between multiples of 7 and factors of 24. So maybe I'll change my mind and do factors of something else that might have an overlap, but you're getting the idea, right? I do see an overlap between square numbers and multiples of 7. So 49 is a square number that's a multiple of 7. Other square numbers are 4. Ooh, so 4 is a square number and it's also a factor of 24. So that's good. I think I have enough things that are in most of the overlaps. And if you're nice, put some stuff out here, like 1 is a factor of 24. 1 is also a square number. Whoops. There, 1 goes there. And, like that. It would be nice if you put something out here. Maybe I'll do 0. 0 is not a multiple of 7 or a square number or a factor of 24. Just put a few things. You don't have to have every single number in there, but try to have enough to give the other person a hint so that they can solve your rule. Okay? And then remember to erase your rule, right? Oh, that's not very good at erasing. Well, you know what I mean. Erase the rules or recopy it. That would be even better. All right. So that's how you do the Guess My Rule. Bye.